Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. Maybe I'll talk to you about it, maybe I won't. I don't know. I feel kind of nervous telling you guys about what's been really going on. But it's been so crazy. But today's my anniversary. We've been married 11 years, so I need to get dressed up nice. I'm actually gonna do some eyeshadow. I have some new things, a new foundation, some new concealers, some new eyeshadows that I can't wait to try out with you guys. So I hope you really enjoy this getting ready with me for my anniversary. If you're wondering what I'm doing for my anniversary, you can always go over on Instagram at Bondbeautyful and see what I've done on my Instagram story highlights, on my Instagram stories, follow along. I tend to post pretty regularly there, like every single day. So make sure you go say hi and you follow me there. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Bondbeautyful. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. And yeah, you can comment below and say hi and introduce yourself. I would love to get to know each and every one of you guys. You guys are like my friends. Honestly, I usually tell you guys what's going on first before I tell any of my friends here in Rhode Island. I don't know why I do that. I just feel more comfortable doing that. I've been doing this a long time. But yeah, let's just get on started. All right, so my eyebrows are already done to make it easy, and we're gonna start with the eyeshadow. Don't mind my crazy lashes. I'm gonna get them done here pretty soon. This next week, I'm going to Spain, you guys. So go over on Instagram and follow me because I will be sharing that in stories like crazy. But I got these two new eyeshadows from Alter Ego. Alter Ego is one of my favorite eyeshadow, one of my favorite makeup companies for eyeshadow specifically. I just love them. They do have eyeshadow primer, which is okay. I have a specific eyeshadow primer I like to use, but they came out with these two palettes. This one's called Midsummer. I mean, look at this. Can you see how beautiful the packaging is? And I'll show you what it looks inside. Look at those colors, so beautiful. I'm kind of feeling this palette right now. And also here's another palette from them that is fairly new. It's called Coastal. Wow, look at this. You see how beautiful this is? Their eyeshadows are always on point, so beautiful, so pigmented. Their palettes are made so beautifully and coordinated so beautifully. Oh my gosh, this color right here. I'm gonna do a specific video just for this color right here. Look at this color. So freaking beautiful. I just can't. Such a gorgeous palette. I think I'm gonna get into Midsummer today. I'm feeling like this is the palette for me today. And let's just start doing some stuff. Let's start doing some stuff. So I'm gonna put a little bit of eyeshadow primer on. Okay, I'm gonna get into Solace and Tuscan right here. These two, I'm gonna kind of mix them around and put those into like the high crease. I told you guys I went to Utah and Arizona. That was such a fun trip. We haven't seen family in so freaking long. But then when I got home, I had like a really bad cold. And so my plan to film for you guys and not miss a beat when I got back didn't exactly work. I'm gonna put this it's like an army green. Do you guys see that right here? I'm gonna put that with this same brush because I'm not gonna use this on a lighter color anymore. Actually, before I'm done with this brush, I'm gonna use the vanilla color and go right underneath the brow. This is lazy me using the same brush for almost this whole look. Okay, so I'm getting into Meadow and I'm putting that on this outer half and into the crease. I love it because it's like an army color and it looks so beautiful with this like pinky Solace color. Those two just vibe. And I can tell because just looking at this color scheme in the palette, like there's not really anything that you can go, there's no way you can go wrong with the palette because they do such a good job of coordinating all the colors that they all basically go together. The only thing that's a little bit trickier is this lavender shade right here. just because it's so bright. But other than that, everything else, I'm not worried about making it work together because I feel like the color story, like they make it so it's easy. You don't have to be an expert and like know colors. You know what I mean? You can just trust that these colors look good together because they just did such a good job of making this palette. This is gonna be a very simple look. Then I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Camp, right there. And I'm gonna put that, all of these colors are super pigmented. So I'm gonna put this without spraying my brush. I'm gonna start working it on the first half of my lid. You can see how beautiful it is. It's not so like, okay, so I put that, and then I'm just gonna take this Pollen color, which is a beautiful shimmery, like army green as well, with that same brush, and just blend it out on this outer part. But they have this super dark, like almost like brown color right here. Can you see that? I'm gonna put this on my lash line. I knew it was gonna be good. Their formula has never let me down, so I knew these palettes were gonna be good, but I'm loving this palette. Just the colors in here, I'm feeling that right. Also new to me is this KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner. It's a long wear eyeshadow. It is a dark brown, so I'm gonna put that on my upper lash line. Let's see how easy this gel liner is. I'm so excited. Born This Way came out with a Healthy Glow SPF 30 moisturizing skin tint. I love skin tints. I'm all about it. It's starting to get warm. So I'm gonna put this baby on. I'm gonna use it with my Wet n Wild Primer Serum, the Refined Pore one of my favorites. And I'm gonna use a brush. One of my favorite foundations ever is the Dior Backstage foundation. First off, because it's olive. This is not an olive shade, but it's okay. Ooh, I love how thin it is, but it has some good pigmentation. And they came out with the Born This Way Ethereal Light Illuminating Smoothing Concealer. I got two colors, Graham Cracker and Pecan. I tried to get a color that I felt like could match my skin. Too Faced, their Sweethearts bronzer was my favorite bronzer of all time. There's no other face bronzer that was better than that one. I think they discontinued it because I can't find it. I ran out of mine, I couldn't find any more. So I picked up this Natural Chocolate Healthy Glow bronzer by Too Faced in the color Golden Cocoa. I'm hoping I'll fall in love with this. But look at this packaging. Isn't that so freaking darling? The gold, the pink, just so beautiful. Look at this. This looks like it's kind of dark, so I wonder, it says it's glowy, but some color back in. It's pretty. Kind of like it. I think it's pretty. What do you guys think? Transition pink color. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one. This is the DC Cream Blush in soft pink. When they originally came out with their cream products, it was super sticky and felt like a, you know, like those lipstick palettes. That's what it felt like. But now, like this one that I've tried actually is nice. I don't need to use too much. Okay, maybe I'll do a tiny bit of this ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Pearl Highlighter. And I think I'm gonna go into the lower lashes with a little bit of that Solace color, which is that like pinky shade. This is the Lifting Lip Gloss by Maybelline in the shade Amber. Yep. Feeling it. I'm liking it. Last but not least, Morphe. Good old Morphe. Always has my back. Morphe always has my back with their setting spray. Okay, so that's it. What do you guys think? I think it turned out good. It's like a smoky, sexy, but it matches like I'm wearing like a black dress. Go over on Instagram and check out what I'm wearing because I shared it on my stories. I'm gonna share it. I'm gonna show you guys my whole outfit with my beautiful bag that I love. So go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed my getting ready with me, trying out new products. I'm super excited about this because I absolutely love it. And the fact that it has an SPF 30, I can't wait. So everything turned out to be really good. I'll keep you updated on this bronzer, but I hope you really enjoyed the video, you guys. And please send me some love down below. I really need it. There's some things going on. Maybe later I'll let you guys know what's been going on, but I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.